On the subject of telmisartan and angiotensin receptor blockers in general, it's become very popular, telmisartan, just purely because this was off the back of some studies done a long time ago. Back in 2009, there was a big study called On Target, and then there was the Transcend study as well, which specifically looked at what they would call maintenance dosing of telmisartan in terms of cardioprotection. And they specifically looked at this ARB rather than ACE inhibitors because of its tolerance and safety profile. So because with ACE inhibitors, you can run into all kinds of issues if you take other medications, especially if you're a diabetic, or you have other sort of cardiovascular drugs if you have other cardiac issues. But it's exceptionally good at keeping your blood pressure under control if you are hypertensive in a dose-dependent manner throughout a 24-hour period. That's why they like telmisartan for sort of first-line ARB use. But yeah, the On Target and Transcend studies did look specifically at cardioprotection, so in terms of longevity, and found it to be particularly useful for preventing new onset of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes was one of the outcomes. And also it reduced people that had fast AF or atrial fibrillation. And that was as a direct result of controlling their slightly hypertensive state. So the conferred benefit for it in terms of taking it as a maintenance dose for someone who doesn't have those pre-existing conditions is based on those studies. So it stands to reason that it would provide good cardiovascular protection, and that was found in both of those studies back in the early 2000s.